This expanding brackets, exercise 15.6, page 243, question 3. So what we've got going on in here in this question is, if I can get on to the next slide, previous. So here's the first question. It's 2a plus 1 multiplied by a plus 1. So the way that we solve this, the first thing we do is we use our tip, and basically all that is changing the first part of the first bracket into some colour. I use red, and we change the second part into some other colour. I change it into a purple plus 1. And no marks for that or anything like that, but visually this gives you a good idea what to do in the next step, which is take the first part of the first bracket, which is red 2a, and multiply that by all of the second bracket, which is a plus 1. And then we take the second part of the first bracket, which is purple plus 1, and we multiply all of that by a plus 1, which is in the second bracket. So again, first part of first bracket multiplied by second bracket, all of it, and then the second part of the first bracket multiplied by all of the second bracket. And that is referred to as splitting up the brackets, or split up the brackets. And now you've got to do your multiplication here, where you're going to remove the brackets in the next step. So 2a by a will give you 2a squared, 2a by 1 will give you 2a, 1 by a will give you a or 1a if you like, and 1 by 1 gives you 1. And you're nearly there now, you're finished with multiplication. That's called removing the brackets. You're finished with any more multiplication, but you have a couple of things to tidy up. If you're noticing here in the middle, you've got 2 apples and 1 apple, and that's going to end up giving you 3 apples here. And that's that question done. So that's 3 part A.